We wanted to optimise the promotional strategy across the trade plan. We did this by collecting the promotional nomination forms from each of the suppliers to build a trade plan, but I wanted to check the plan I built was going to deliver for the customer and for the category. To do this, I had to better understand the relationships between each of the products.
To support Tesco to get the right plan in place, we had to find out which products and promotions mattered the most to customers, so we approached dunnhumby to find out how best to go about this.
Firstly, we had to ensure that Johnny was using the correct promotional strategy for each of the products in his category. We used a tool called the balance matrix, which defines an optimum price and promotion strategy for a category by plotting each product on a matrix based on price elasticity and importance to the customer. We do this to ensure that products rated most important to customers are using either a hybrid or an everyday low price approach. We found that Johnny's plan was well aligned with the recommendations. We then ran a bespoke analysis for a deeper dive into the relationship between products to help us discover the extent of cannibalisation. This threw up some previously unexplored relationships between products, which helped us create rules around what should be and shouldn't be promoted together. The obvious next step was to review the existing plan and incorporate the new information.
We held a working session with Bel UK and dunnhumby to review the trade plan. We identified key lines that were cannibalising each other on promotion. We built simple do not promote with rules, and then we amended the trade plan to minimise cannibalisation.
We asked dunnhumby to run a number of scenarios to see which plan would perform better in terms of total category sales. We agreed 24 scenarios across 3 different plans and 8 promotional periods. The first plan was the supply nominations for that year, the second plan was the existing trade plan from previous year, and the third plan was an amended plan from dunnhumby and Bel that had some overlays of shopper insights.
We ran the group Bel scenarios through PriceTrap, our price and promotions tool. We found some very interesting results once we put them through the data visualisation tool. First and foremost, we saw that if we'd continued with the trade plan as the suppliers had suggested, we wouldn't even have lapped last year's numbers, let alone shown any incremental growth. And secondly, the plan that we built together with Bel UK, where we optimised for feature space, minimised the cannibalisation and used some of the real customer science that dunnhumby was able to offer, we saw some fantastic results for every party.
These insights gave me exactly what I was looking for. The confidence that I built a customer-focused trade plan that was going to deliver for my category. It's definitely an approach I'd use again. We're in discussion with dunnhumby about how we roll this out across other categories and with other suppliers.